I'm a student in my happy learning classes. In today's class, we will do some more quotations and see. First quotation for today is by G.R.D. Tata. Quotation is uncommon thinkers reuse what common thinkers refuse. See what a beautiful quotation. Uncommon thinkers reuse what common thinkers refuse. What is the meaning of this? मीन्स जो अलग सोच रखने वाले लोग होते हैं, व्यक्ति होते हैं, वो उन चीज़ों से कुछ कर जाते हैं या उन चीज़ों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो साधारण सोचने वाली व्यक्ति जिसको ये सोचते हैं कि ये बहुत साधारण है, इससे क्या हो पाएगा या इससे हम कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. सो अनकॉमन थिंकर्स रीयूज व्हाट कॉमन थिंकर्स रिफ्यूज बाय G.R.D. टाटा. Next quotation is by APJ Abdul Kalam. So quotation is, if you want to shine like a sun, listen carefully, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. See, if everybody want to shine like a sun, so first burn like a sun. That means for every achievement, first we have to do hard work, then we can get the sweetness of that success, right? Okay. Once again, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. And it is by APJ Abdul Kalam. Right? Next is by Bill Gates. See? Next is by Bill Gates. And listen and watch. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. See, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. What is the meaning of this? By Bill Gates, कि यदि आपका जन्म एक गरीब के तौर पे हुआ है या आपका जन्म गरीबी में हुआ है तो ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आपकी मृत्यु, आपका निधन गरीबी में हुआ होगा, गरीब बन के होगा, तो ये आपकी मिस्टेक है. That means we have to grow ourselves, we have to develop ourselves, and we have to make ourselves prosper by our hard work. Okay? So once again, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's your mistake. Right? So keep these quotations in your mind. And quotation by whom? This also. So that previous one is from Bill Gates. Next is from Mother Teresa. See, be faithful in small things because it is in them that your strength lies. Be faithful in small things because it is in them that your strength lies. That means हमें बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में ईमानदार होना चाहिए और वही हमारे लिए या जो जिनके साथ हमारा रिलेशन होता है उन्हीं चीज़ों से हमारे बीच में जो है स्ट्रेंथ बनती है या हमारे बीच में रिलेशन खूबसूरत बनता है और हमारी वो हिम्मत बनती है, हमारी ताकत बनती है वो चीज़ें. बी फेथफुल इन अ स्मॉल थिंग बिकॉज इट इज इन देम दैट योर स्ट्रेंथ. बी फेथफुल इन स्मॉल थिंग्स बिकॉज इट इज इन देम दैट योर स्ट्रेंथ लाइज. राइट? बाय मदर टेरेसा. Last one is from Mahatma Gandhi and quotation is, first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight with you, then you win. So for any type of struggle, for any type of success, if you are going to make your aim for certain thing or for certain job, so first if the job is not possible, so first they ignore you. Who will listen that what type of work you are doing? Then they laugh at you. It happens in real life also. So first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight with you, then you win. So you have to, these are the hurdles of the success. So if you want success, if you want to achieve something, so these types of hurdles and these types of emotions you have to face, like ignorance, like laughter, है ना, insulting comments, and fight also. Sometimes if the person who don't who don't believe in you honestly. So he used to laugh at you, he used to fight with you. And then if you will ignore all these things and just target at your aim, one day you will surely going to win, and then you win. So once again, first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight with you, then you win. At the last you will win. Okay, don't lose patience, don't stop working hard, as many quotations we have done like this by yesterday we have done a beautiful quotation by Vivekananda also. So read them, simple reading and just thinking about it, they can also make change in you. So read these quotations and follow in your life also, and use these quotations and words in your paragraph writing, in your sentence making, so that your writing skill will be improved. And keep that in mind, that by whom these quotations are written or spoken. So happy learning and have a very good day.